If you're having problems with the mobile data network on your Samsung Galaxy A17, so in this video I will show you how to fix it. Now, first of all, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. And from here, just enable airplane mode on your Samsung phone. Now just wait for a few seconds, then tap on airplane mode and turn it off. Now, if this did not fix your issue, then the next step is to go to settings and tap on connections. From here, just tap on mobile networks. Now from here, just make sure you enable data roaming. Then tap on network mode. And from here, just select LTE preferred. After that, just tap on access point names. Then tap on the three dots over here and select reset to default. Tap on reset. After you do that, then go back. Now in the connection settings, just tap on data usage. Tap on data saver. Now if data saver is enabled, just turn it off from here. Then go back. Now just restart your Samsung phone. For that, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. Then tap on the power icon over here and select restart. Now if this did not fix your issue, then go back to settings and tap on general management. Go to reset, and on this page, just select reset mobile network settings. Tap on reset settings, then enter your lock screen PIN. After that, just tap on reset. Now this option will not delete any data on your Samsung phone. It will only reset the mobile network settings of your smartphone. And this is how you can fix the mobile data network problems on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.